with another video, back with another challenge today. So today's challenge is a little different. It's a little different today, honey. So we are in front of the Dollar Tree right now. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for future videos, and then like the video and comment down below. Let your girl know what you think of this video. So I got videos on for days, y'all. I was like, I'm taking a little break for the week, but you know, this will be posted. Yeah, this is going to be posted for real though. So the challenge is you have to go into the Dollar Tree, spend $10. Okay? You have to get 5 items that you already bought before, and you have to get 5 items that you've never bought before in your life. So we are going to go in there, do these 5 items that we bought before, and then 5 items that we haven't bought before. It doesn't matter what kind of items that you buy. You just have to, you know, find whatever items in the store that you've already bought, and just anything that you've never seen before in your life. So I challenge Rome's Eating and Conversations, Living Life with Lisa, Miss Chan, Shorty Recipes. Pull up, Miss Chan. Okay, pull up. And then also Embry. y'all name is so long. Oh my God. Embry Family Entertaining 7. Y'all know what it is. I'll put y'all names in the corner somewhere. So Embry Family Entertaining 7. Y'all, you know, y'all get to do this too. So this is a fun little challenge. You have to show yourself going into the store, looking for the stuff, and then when you get home or whatever, we have to see the items that you chose. So let's get into the challenge. Y'all ready? I'm ready. I'm ready to go to the store. Let me put my mask on. I'm tripping. Hold on. Wait. I'm tripping on baby. I forgot to add that y'all can challenge 4 people. Y'all have to challenge 4 people to do this challenge. So let's get into this. I'm ready to go in the store, honey. Knowing me, every time I go in the Dollar Tree, I always spend more than $10. Child, today we on a budget. Alright, you guys, and disclaimer, you have to do this challenge in 8 minutes. You have to do this challenge in 8 minutes. You have to find 5 items that you already had and 5 items that you've never seen before. Okay, alright, let's go. Y'all, this is so hard when you're doing it by yourself. Sorry, I don't have nobody help me. I don't have no kids. I don't have a man. It's just me. So, bear with me. Wait, how does this work? I haven't done I just made it with 1080. There you go.
Gonna ask you on the inside if you would like your receipt.
Let me see. No, I'm good. Let me see. Okay. Hey squad, I'm back home. So these are the items that I got from Dollar Tree. So in this corner are the items that I've gotten before, that I've already purchased, and in this corner right here are the items that I have not purchased before. Y'all can't believe I have not purchased these before. I really haven't. So we're gonna get into this. I got the Reynolds wrap. I got some razors. I got some Clorox disinfecting bleach. I got some Oil of Life Sensitive Skin Body Wash, unscented 2-in-1. Y'all see it? Unscented 2-in-1. I got the Daily Moisturizing Lotion, Cocoa Butter with Vitamin E. Can y'all see it? I know my ring light is, my ring light is all over the place. There you go. And on this side right here, I got the Dawn Ultra dishwashing liquid cleaner right there. And I thought this cup was uber duper cute. It says, live every moment, laugh every day, love with all your heart. I got that cup right there. And I got these little cute plastic spoons, forks, and knives. These silver ones, I never got those before. And then I got the Lysol 10 times cleaning power toilet bowl cleaner. I never got this from Dollar Tree before, ever in life. I didn't know they had that. And then also I got these plastic bowls. So, all right, you guys, I challenge those 4 people. So make sure you guys pull up and do the challenge. Support your girl like I support y'all. And I'm excited to see which items you guys choose. And I'll be back with another one. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell for future videos. Hit the like button. Y'all can tell I'm tired. I've been running in the Dollar Tree, okay, for like 8 minutes. And some change. And make sure y'all comment below. Let your girl know what you think of this video. And I'll be back with another one. Bye, y'all.